Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Happy Angel Reading, and today reading is for Scorpio for the month of March. So this is Taglish, no? If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is Taglish reading for Scorpio for the month of March. And so we're gonna ask some guidance to your finances and career first. So we're gonna get two, okay? And where you need to focus at, no? So this guidance and messages from your spirit guide, parang ito yung magiging tools mo, no? It's gonna be your tools to your journey this March, no? Scorpio, and cross watcher is welcome. Okay, spirit guide for Scorpio, where he need to focus, where she need to focus this March. This is for Scorpio. Ay nako, ayun. So we're gonna read that later. So we're gonna get to, okay. So let's see what is coming to you this March, Scorpio. So it might tell us about your love life or your career. So what is coming for Scorpio? Oh, Scorpio, you may came across with Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, o ikaw Scorpio, maaring makaano ka, no? Somebody is about to come to you na isang hardworking na persons, no? So we'll clarify more on that, why these persons came to you also, no? Tell us more. Oh, a new job. I think this is one of your partners, or sabihin natin this persons will gonna actually give you motivations sa Marso para for you to start, or parang this persons might play an important role sa iyo regarding to your career now to be successful. So parang I've been seeing here also Scorpio this March actually you're starting to study, no? Parang you might gonna go back to school, no? Yan ang nakikita natin. Tell us more. Or there's a stagnant project na babalikan mo because of the influence ng isang matured energy na parang very very business persons minded na tao at talagang mamomotivate ka to get back on that project or para mag-aral ka uli, no? Tell us more, Scorpio. So this is for Scorpio. Nakikita natin dito na you've lost a lots of opportunity way back before. So I think but at the present conditions sa March you're gonna get back that, no? Parang i-ano mo kung kumbaga parang binaon mo na because you wasn't given lots of resources on that project pero kukunin mo uli, no? Kumbaga bubuksan mo uli yung mga nakabinbin na proyekto mo, yung mga ini-stagnant mong proyekto para nakikita natin, i-review mo, no? And parang tingin mo andiyan dyan yung success mo, no? Because of the influence ng isang business minded na tao who is very capable of helping you, no? Tell us more. Ay, ang ganda. So, medyo may delay tayong inaantay na good news, no? Madidelay lang siya. It could be if you're planning to have some business travel, medyo madidelay or there's a little bit postponement. So, that could be bring a little bit, ano, no, bad news din sa, ano, may nakikita tayo. That's why you miss this opportunity because there's a delay, no? So, but I've been saying here na you will you will try your best to be able to make it up on this project that you think you miss the opportunity. Okay? So tingnan naman natin. So makikita natin ditong advice later, you know. So let's go now sa love life mo. Let's see what's going on to Scorpio love life right now. What's going on to Scorpio love life right now? Spirit guide. This coming March, this March actually, this March. What is going on kay Scorpio love life this March? Parang nakita ko you're gonna be starting a new journey, no? Parang, but I've been saying a good things because you got the page of Pentacles Scorpio, no? Parang your creativity is ano parang is over, parang it will occupy you, no? Yung creativity mo, parang it will invading your energy, no? Parang I've been seeing lots of success din sa stagnant na business, dun mo nakita. Tapos, bubuklatin mo ulit para to start that again, no? Okay, sa love life mo. Nakita natin, there's a progress sa love life mo. I think this person might be your co-worker also na you get into a relationship. But I've been saying here, your persons also try to cooperate on your relationship. Tell us more. Parang I've been seeing also that the both of you are co-creating. Parang that both of you have a teamwork, no? Mm. Parang I've been seeing here also there's a lot of faith and hope on the relationship. I've seen lots of happiness on the relationship also. I've been this might be you might be actually dealing with Aquarius, no? I've been seeing here parang spiritually awareness or that you are actually incorporating in your relationship. So we've been seeing here that's why there's a growth on your relationship. Some of you actually might be thinking to move to your partner, or some of you actually planning to plan for a marriage or to live together, no? This March. Tell us more. I've been seeing here na you are getting to make an actions with the four of swords in reverse. When the four of swords in reverse, parang you are actually recovering on all the hardship on what's going on the relationship. Yes, there's a recovery, parang done with recuperating, and you're trying to make an actions to work on the relationship because I've been seeing here both of you are cooperating, no? But the last time energy is really a bit stressing with you, and I could also see your Scorpio na parang you've been put your energy way back on the recent past, no? But they come in through realizations. Now we've been seeing here that even your partners is cooperating right now, no? Tell us more. Oh, sun. So I've been seeing a bright future in this relationship because you got the sun here. So the sun stands for clarity, enlightenment, and we've been seeing here also a good future, no? Uh, and enlightenment to both of you on what kind of situations you got, no? Having the sun, parang the suns keep the two of you guiding, no? The relationship. Keep the two of you close together, which is very beautiful energy. So I've been seeing here lots of positivity might came arise on your relationship, and I've been seeing here also success on any plan that the two of you planning, and I've been seeing here the vitality, no, and the energy is very beautiful with harmony, and I've been seeing here lots of clarity on both of your relationship because of maybe you've been actually really wanted to save maybe the relationship, and we've been seeing here you've been stressing a lot way back before, and you've done now you're taking an actions, no? That is what we've been seeing for you, Scorpio, this March. Okay, so I hope you like this reading, and we're gonna give some message about your love life, about your relationship. Let's see. Or yan, as you could see, look at this one. A very sacred union, no? Parang really, we've seen here, both of you are really can't live alone, can't live alone together. Parang we've been seeing here the unity and closeness of your soul also, no? So the message here, because that is a sacred union, Scorpio. So the universe telling you honor and treasure your relationship, for it's truly sacred, as I've been telling you. Okay, tell us more. Wow, this is very beautiful. Wow, parang really close, no? Very close to each other. Very, we've seen here the heat and the fashion on both of you together. And it's also here passions, a magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at the present and enjoy it. So you've been saying here your partner actually seeing you that you're so attractive, and parang he is really into co-creating the relationship to be happy and to build a happy family. No, Scorpio, this is very beautiful energy. So I do live, no, if you wanted to join our live, so make sure that you hit the notifications bell, no, so you will know when we're gonna do live, where you have a chance to ano, no, to join our free yes or no questions, no. Okay, thank you and God bless you, Scorpio.